Repoll at 11 polling stations in Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency held today was concluded peacefully with voter turnout of 73.05% till 3 p.m. The voting process began at 7 a.m. and concluded at 5 p.m. amid heavy security measures. The ECI has issued directive declaring voting process in respect of 11 polling stations as null and void, after reports of violence in the said polling stations during the first phase election held on April 19th. Voting percentage was high in the early hours with voters coming out in large number. As per data provided by CEO, voter turnout till 11 a.m. stood at 37.54%. Gradually, voting pace slowed down during the midday, apparently owing to the warm weather, with 55.76% voter turnout till 1 p.m. Voting process picked up momentum around 3 p.m. Taking extra precautions to prevent any untoward incidents, the concerned ROs also visited all polling stations to take stock of the situation. Repoll was held at 3/11 Sajeb A. Moirangkampu Sajeb Upper Primary School, 3/21 Kurai Thongamlekai S. Ibobi Primary School East Wing, Kurai Thongamlekai, 4/43 Bamonkampu North A. Bamonkampu Upper Primary School, 4/44 Bamonkampu North B. Pioneer Academy, 4/45 Bamonkampu South West Irilbung High School North Wing, 4/46 Bamonkampu South East Irilbung High School South Wing, 5/31 Common Zone 5A National Children's School, 10/1 Iroshemba Upper Primary School Eastern Wing, 10/6 Iroshemba Mamanglekai Iroshemba Upper Primary School Western Wing, 10/7 Iroshemba Mayalikai Iroshemba Upper Primary School Middle Wing, and 18/22 Khaidim Makar Khaidim Primary School Southern Wing. The first phase Lok Sabha poll for 2 parliamentary seats of Manipur held on Friday recorded a 72.17% voter turnout. Voting was held across 32 assembly segments of the Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency and 15 assembly segments of the Outer Manipur ST parliamentary constituency in a total of 2,107 polling stations. The second phase poll is slated for April 26th.